Hello, everyone. This is Julie HR, and everyone is having a wonderful Tuesday. Today, we're going to be going over my newest template entitled, here we go, Mentoring Action Plan. Now, if you're looking for more of a mentorship program, you'll see to the left of it, there is more of a mentorship program. We're going to take a look at the listing really quick, and then we're going to actually take a look at the actual template. So let me go ahead and open this up. It's a mentoring action plan. So right now you may or may not have a program in place. If you don't have a program in place and you just want to hit the ground running with a solid mentoring action plan template, this is a great one for you. Plus, it also has, I filled in verbiage for like an HR coordinator type position. However, you're going to want to tailor it for, whatever position that the mentor or the mentee is in. And of course, when you first start out, you're not going to have, everything may not be filled out, but you can kind of use this as a guide. So it has 3 pages, which includes a instruction page. We'll keep going. See, there's lots of sections and they're very easy to see. There's the action plan, and here's the sections. The goals, they need to be SMART, activities and deliverables, progress summary, meeting schedule. You want to go ahead and get those meetings scheduled if you're between the mentor and the mentee, feedback and insight from mentor mentee. And then I create a little thing down here where there's resources and references. You can edit it in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. It prints beautifully. And yes, there are, I think it's important to have instructions with my templates. And that is something I've started to do, is create mentoring, like this mentoring action plan instructions. I'm going to start creating a lot more really deeper instructional guides within my templates, because I think it's very important. So, and there you see the 3 pages. And some of the features, like I mentioned, SMART, goal framework, progress monitoring, and then there's a dual page format. It separates the action plan right here from the process, promoting clarity of focus and encouraging mentors and mentees to treat mentoring as a phase evolving engagement rather than a one-time checklist, because it is a evolving relationship and plan. Easy to edit. And go check out all my other bundles. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a look at the actual template. And there it is. Easy to edit. Right here. Very easy to edit. You can change. And this is for an HR coordinator. So strengthen HR compliance skills. If it was for perhaps another type employee, you would put their different goal. And we're going to keep going down here. Activities and deliverables, complete HR compliance training, shadow HR strategy meetings, create turnover dashboards. So activities and then also deliverables that are expected during this mentorship. And I failed to mention the area of development and also the description. That needs to be taken into account and also written down. There's a progress summary, and it speaks to the actual goals. So if you go back up to the goals right here, it's speaking to one of the goals. So that's why I kind of filled it out to help you guys along, because sometimes, if this is a first time mentoring program or whatnot, you just don't have all the tools aligned. So if you just kind of follow along this, you'll kind of see which way it goes. And then also you want to set a meeting schedule. And then here is feedback and insight from mentor or mentee. And please note, it's easy. I'm a big table person, right? That's a table inside a Word document. So if I wanted to add, insert, rows below. If I wanted to add some more information down there. If I wanted to add some more meetings, there you go. If I wanted to change the color, let's say table design, shading, and I wanted to pick up a different color, very easy to do. So know that you can do that in my templates. But I wanted to share that with you. I didn't want to take too much of your time. Don't forget to look at the mentoring action plan instructions. It kind of gives you the why, and it will help the mentor to read through this and the mentee. So it kind of gives you a guide in directing your meeting on some level. So thanks so much. Wanted to share this with you. Be sure to check out my store and have a great rest of the Tuesday, and be sure to subscribe. I'm trying to do a video every single day on one of my templates. So have a great day. Take care. Thanks so much.